Now in the screen you can see all the spare parts of a SC APC connector. The green now you see is the boots, the ring, crimping ring, stopper, spring, ferrule, inner housing and outer housing. And this is the 3.0 fiber cable. Now we're going to assembling the first step, assembling connector. First install the boots, then the ring, then the crimping ring, and now is the stopper. Last is the spring. After install the spring, we finish the first step of the first step of assembling for the SC APC connector before stripping.